Okay, so this is my fifth take and I can't seem to figure out how to start a video, what to say when I started. So yeah, let's try it like this. I'm a digital marketer. You can find my profile on LinkedIn or check out my previous videos on YouTube and see exactly what I do. So not gonna waste too much time with introductions, but yeah, I plan to start recording a series of videos with solutions that I found for like the common questions and common issues that I and I guess other people, my clients, have with Google Analytics and essentially tracking cookies, Google Tag Manager and things like that. So yeah, for the first video, I decided to tackle the issue of data thresholding in Google Analytics 4. So as many of you know, since GA4 started, due to privacy policies, we have this thresholding applied. This is a function that Google has where they don't show you 100% of the data, but rather there's a data threshold. So some of the events, some of the page views, some of the sessions will not be shown until those sources cover the threshold that Google has. Not really 100% sure what that threshold is. Let's have a look and see if we can maybe find it. When the data in the report or exploration is limited due to data threshold, the data quality indicator at the top of the reports includes the message. Okay, Google Analytics has applied thresholding, so not that much data here, not many answers. You can enable or disable thresholding inside your admin panel. Sorry, not data streams. We need to go to data collection and enable or disable Google Signals. When Google Signals option is enabled, you will be able to use your audiences that you created in Google Analytics and to use them in your Google Ads accounts. So yeah, kind of useful, kind of necessary to have. And when it's enabled, Google Analytics 4 will start using data thresholding, and you won't be able to see 100% of the data inside your Google Analytics account. Okay, so let me just go back to one of the reports. This is an issue that I keep having with my clients, where they come to me and, hey, why is data in Google Analytics not matching what I have in my website backend? Why is it not matching what we have in Google Ads? What's happening here? I just made a conversion. Why can't I see it inside the GA4? So things like that. And obvious solution would be to turn off Google Signals. But yeah, if you run a lot of remarketing campaigns and if you use those audiences that you created inside GA4 for your Performance Max campaigns or for different analysis reasons, so if you turn it off, you won't be able to see user level data, so you won't be able to see demographic data like age, like gender. So yeah, that's not option for everybody. So yeah, I found an easy solution for this, so hopefully you guys can use it, and hopefully Google still allows us to do that. So so what I did was I open up Google Data Studio account and Locker Studio account, so formerly known as Data Studio, and inside it I just created a simple report. Depending on what type of data you need, you just need to connect it to your GA4 account, add data to the report. And let's just do a quick compare. So this is, let's call it session medium report for the last 28 days. So we need to do session medium. Source medium, session medium, oh my God, by sessions. So source medium report by sessions. And let's give it a date range. So add control. Okay, so if I was to present this to a client, I'd make this report much nicer. But for you guys, this is as good as I'm willing to do. Show summary row, and let's just go to view and select the date range, last 28 days, and apply. And well, we have a total of 6,008 sessions, while in GA4 we have a total of 4,193. So just to be like on a safe side, because there's a issue with data in GA4 where last 24 to 48 hours might not be applied. Let's just move this to a day, for a day. So it's gonna be 20th, 16th, apply. And there's an even bigger mismatch here. So yeah, same thing, for example, for events. So that's a pretty big one. Events, event name, sorry. Name and event count. Or you can do, instead of event, let's do source medium again. Session source medium with the event count when the event is purchased. So event purchase, and select event name here, contains purchase. If you have multiple purchase events, so maybe just use equals to and not contains. So just to be clear, and now we see that there were 68 purchases in this time frame, while purchases, sorry, let's see, total purchases 161, and GA4 is showing 148. It's going to be same here in events, 148. So essentially you don't see about 13 sales that happened. So this is not that big of an issue. 13 sales here and there, who cares if the sample is large enough. But for the accounts that don't have that many sales, this can be quite important, especially if the client is someone who's like pushing you for results. Yeah, so hopefully you guys found this useful. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment. Please share this video to any of your friends who might find it useful. And yeah, hopefully Google doesn't limit Locker Studio reports with the thresholding like they did for GA4. That's it for me. Have a good day and thanks for your time. Bye bye.